Welcome to this training session on Zoho Social, your complete solution for managing social media effectively. Zoho Social provides end-to-end social media management, helping you streamline your workflow across multiple platforms. With Zoho Social, you can monitor performance, create customized reports, and gain actionable insights through analytics. It's designed to make publishing, monitoring, and analyzing social media effortless. When you open Zoho Social, the first page you'll see is the brand setup screen. Here, you can connect the social media channels you want to manage under your brand. At the top, you'll notice icons for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, and more. Simply click on the platform you want to connect. For example, if you want to connect Facebook, click the Connect Facebook button. Make sure you're logged into the account associated with your business page. A brand in Zoho Social is a collection of social media channels managed through a single dashboard. You can add one account per platform to each brand. Once your channels are connected, you'll be ready to start publishing, monitoring, and analyzing your social media activity, all from one place. With Zoho Social, you can manage, monitor, and measure your social media presence effortlessly. Start today and take your social media strategy to the next level.
Have an idea or vision in mind? Share it with us, and we'll help turn it into a clear workflow with actionable next steps. DM us or comment below to get started. We will provide this in 1 hour.